2, 1, go!
All right, and we have robots moving and grooving in match number 47. 1261 Robo Lions going ahead, grabbing some pieces of coral. Looks like they scrap and score for the Red Alliance. Looks like they'll go ahead and grab another piece of coral over on the other side. We have action, and it looks like one piece of coral scored for the Blue Alliance. Red coming in with a score of 23-16. Red Alliance able to score for 1261 Robo Lions. 9477 Lambda going ahead and trying to grab a piece of algae, and looks like they're going to go ahead and go around to the other side. They're going to go ahead and move over into the processor. It looks like they're going to go ahead and try to score. Team 2415 Wildcats going ahead and trying to grab a piece of algae, and they do. Over on the other side, Team 3635 Flying Legion able to score a piece of algae for the Blue Alliance. Team 5074 Robo Mustangs also able to score on L1 for the Blue Alliance. 8080 Sequoia also scoring on L4 for the Blue Alliance. 9477 Lambda able to score into the processor for the Blue Alliance. Over on the other side, 1261. Looks like they lose their piece of coral, but they're able to rebound and grab it. 9477 Lambda. It looks like they're getting in position. Up and scores for 9477 Lambda. Right now, it's 63-60. 3-point differential. 9477 gets into position. They go up and they score for the Red Alliance. Over on the other side, 5074 Robo Mustangs scored, and it looks like it doesn't go on to the reef for the Blue Alliance. It looks like 3635 Flying Legion able to grab another piece of coral. They go up. It looks like they're going to try to score on L3, and they score on L1 still. 9477 able to grab a piece of algae and score for the Red Alliance. Right now, Red has a lead 92-69, and Lambda able to score another piece of algae into the barge for the Red Alliance. 1261 Robo Lions able to grab a piece of coral. Looks like they're going to go ahead, go up, and try to score, and they do on L3 for the Red Alliance. Over on the other side, a little bit of a collision between the Blue Alliance robots, but they're able to score onto the reef. 8080 also able to score on L4 for the Blue Alliance. 1261 trying to score, but it looks like they're going to go L1 for the Red Alliance. With 19 seconds left, 9477 gets in position, shoots, and it misses. Goes over the barge, over onto the Blue Alliance side. They go ahead, grab another piece of algae. They get into position, shoot, and it misses again, but goes on to the other side to the Red Alliance. With 4 seconds left, and final shot, and they don't get it off for 9477. Right now, Red with a little bit of a lead, 115-102. We'll see how the math works out for qualification match number 47. All right, let's take a look at those scores. And Red Alliance takes the match with a score of 117-108. Now 1261 able to move with those 5 valuable ranking points. Moves up into the number 4 position. 9477 moves actually into the number 11 position that 8080 was at before. And 2415 moves up to 26. Unfortunately, 8080 drops down to 13 with those only 2 ranking points that they got in that match. 5074 drops down to 27. 3635 maintains their position at number 40.